Hello, welcome back to the How to Win CompXM, the top 10 winning tips, lesson 2 of 10 lesson. So you can win the CompXM, even that is a proctor CompXM. If you have the proctor CompXM, this video series give you the top 10 winning tips, a step-by-step guide for CompXM, and then you can understand and pass the proctor CompXM with top result. You see the result on the screen, right? And you see the top result. You get the top stop price 186 after 4 hours and 940 is out of 1,000, right? So this is lesson 2. Check the Korea report. You can take the other video for lesson 1, the most important. And now this lesson 2, check the Korea report to see the price, the growth of each segment, the unit result, inventories. I show you the detail now. So in the CompXM, you have the Inquirer here or Korea report here. You see the top result, right? You see the top result here after 4 hours. So it's very important you open this report to see the top stop price here, right? And very important, you see here in this first part, in that one you will see the 4 segment, right? 4 trip, core, nano, elite, and in lesson 2 it's very important to notice that the order of the product is different. And I say again and again 10 times, products order are different, numbers are different. So I show you the strategy. You can apply that with your game, but do not copy the number, right? Do not copy. So you check the Korea report to see the price, the growth, unit result each round, right? I show you now. Come back with the industry condition report here, right? You see the 4 products, trip, core, nano, elite, and then you get this number. Again, do not copy the number different from student to student because they are the CompXM. You can use this number and then copy and paste into the free Excel file like this, and then you update that for your game, right? I say it the second time, right? So if you don't know what to do, send me the email. I get the Excel file for you. And then you see that 4 segment here, they have different growth rate, right? Trip, core, nano, elite. The best way to top result, if you use the 4 existing product, you can win, but if you add 4 new product, you can win with top result, right? So each round we have the price range here for the trip, right? And also the price range for the core, price range for the nano, and price range for the elite. And now we need to set the price. If you download the Excel file, you see the best price. I copy and paste it here. You can use the price, right? Trip, core, nano, elite, the optimal price, and reduce 50 cents each round. But the reason is here, right? I show you the details. So this is the report for the trip, right? Trip segment. You see the best price from here, right? So you can adjust the price for that. And also you see the price for core here, price for core, right? And the best selling price here, right? And price for the your product. So you don't have to be the lowest price, the best selling still here, right? And also take the trip also, right? You don't need to be the lowest price, the best price here to get the best price and also best profit, and you can still sell top result, right? And for the nano, right? For the nano here, you see that you have the best price and best selling product account for 48% of the market share. And for the number 4, the elite segment, you see you have the best selling price here, right? And then you get still get 41% of the market share. You don't need to be too low price. You get the best price and the best profit, right? So start with this price of round 1 and then apply 50 cents for each round. Then you can get the top result. Okay, so that's the very important lesson number 2. Check the Korea report, the price, the growth of each segment, the unit result and inventory. I show you the unit result and inventory, so you can calculate the sales forecast for the next round. So you open the report and then you see page number 4 here to see the number unit result here, and then the inventory. You can use the unit result to calculate the sales forecast and just multiple by 10 or 15% if you want to make it simple, and deduct inventory, and then you can get the sales forecast, right? Okay, if you have any question, you send the email to mbacim.ferris@gmail.com, right? And then I give you the free support for round 1 and round 2, or you can download the free Excel file for 4 rounds, 5 which you can continue if you want. You can have the support to complete the 4 rounds, right? Thank you for watching. Good luck and success, right?